I'm Grace and I'd like to introduce two very special motorcycles from Triumph's new Chrome collection, the Rocket 3R and the Rocket 3 GT Chrome editions. Equipped with the world's largest production motorcycle engine, a 2,500cc triple that delivers more torque than any other bike in the world. The Rocket 3 has become something of a legend, renowned for its unparalleled acceleration and admired for its high specification, neutral handling, easy all-day comfort, and of course its incredible muscular presence. And now, inspired by the classic custom look, both Rockets have undergone a stunning transformation courtesy of Triumph's state-of-the-art chrome detailing facility, giving us these beautiful chrome editions available for just 1 year only. So let's take a closer look at the first of these stunning handcrafted motorcycles, the Rocket 3R Chrome Edition. Already famous for that unmistakable muscular Rocket presence, this special chrome edition adds a whole new level of style. With a bold and impressive full chrome fuel tank, the flawless chrome finish is set off perfectly by the painted jet black accent and triangular Triumph badge. This distinctive monochrome theme is continued across the motorcycle with its jet black fly screen, headlight bowls, front mudguard, radiator cowls, side panels and rear bodywork. The mudguard brackets and upper radiator cowl are finished in matte aluminium silver. Complementing the jet black luster, these silver finishes enhance the shape and form of the Rocket 3R's already purposeful looking front end. Moving on to the second model in this polished pairing, the mighty Rocket 3 GT Chrome Edition. The laid-back Rocket 3 GT Chrome Edition uses that world-beating 221 Newton meters of phenomenal torque, together with its high-specification chassis and neutral handling for easy, effortless touring. Make no mistake though, as easygoing as it is, this tourer can still pack a class-leading punch. Bringing a sophisticated new air to the GT's imposing presence, the striking full chrome fuel tank with its distinctive Diablo red accent is undoubtedly the centerpiece of this beautiful motorcycle. The finish throughout is pure premium, with the headlight bowls, fly screen, front mudguard, radiator cowls, side panels and rear bodywork all finished in the deep, rich jet black. As with the R model, its contrasting matte aluminium silver upper radiator cowl and mudguard brackets complete the Rocket 3 GT Chrome Edition's beautiful new look. Now, both models also benefit from a host of additional accessories that include options that add even more detail, style, comfort and luggage. Plus, for each model, there's also a Chrome Edition accessory kit available, comprising a specially selected set of key accessories, which you can check out on the configurator on Triumph's website. So there you have it, the beautiful Rocket 3R and GT Chrome editions. Two stunning new Rockets in Triumph's new Chrome collection that brings sophistication and exclusivity to the most muscular of motorcycles, both of which are available for 1 year only.